To edit a consultant's tech stack and skills, scroll down to the Skills and Evaluations section on their profile and click the pencil icon. Here you can see all skills and their competence ratings sorted by years of experience. To add a new skill, scroll down and click Add Skill. In the new window, type the skill name and select the correct one from the list. You can then assign it to specific projects by checking the box next to each one. Click Apply to confirm. The skill will now appear in the list. To add several skills at once, click Add Multiple Skills. Enter the skill names separated by commas, assign them to the relevant projects, and click Search and Add. The newly added skills will appear at the bottom of the list. To sort everything by years of experience, scroll up and click Auto Rating. You can also delete skills. Click the icon next to the skill, and in the new window, press Delete. If you only want to remove a skill from a specific project while keeping it in others, you can do that through the same process. Once you're done, click Auto Rating again to reorder the list, then scroll down and click Save. The consultant's tech stack is now up to date on their profile.